nobody gonna understand. No, no, but you said a little loud to fuck with nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, I'm working with CHINALACEWIG again. So today I have in there Brazilian Virgin Curly 360 wig, and it is 200 density. And it is 22 inches long, and it's super duper pretty. It's definitely giving me a water wave type vibe, but yes, I am obsessed with this. I have worn this in New Orleans, so I'm going to be showing you guys the top knot tutorial that I kind of followed. I do just want to mention that this has 5-inch parting space, so literally look at that parting space, you guys. Like, wow. It's so pretty. I was so obsessed. I'm like, you know what? I ain't ever selling this. I'm keeping this. Sorry. I love this. I still have the other wig that they gave me, and I'm still obsessed with that. Their 360 wigs are very good quality, very worth it, and I'm just all around obsessed. So more details about, you know, the cap and stuff like that will be in the description for you guys, but let's just kind of hop into this tutorial. Okay, so you guys are going to need hair ties. And I'm using the Ghost Bun. You don't have to, but I am. It's a very, very good hold. You can get this on Amazon. And then a rat tail comb. This is very important for like pressing down your lace. And y'all, my boyfriend was bothering me like the whole video, so don't even. Anyway, so yeah, basically make sure you measure your wig and make sure your like lace is, you know, matching your ears. I've already, you know, kind of customized mine. I just had to cut a little bit off, I think. But I just want to run into, you know, some things about the Ghost Bun. So basically, the Ghost Bun is like a much, you know, tighter hold than the freeze spray. Honestly, I like it because it literally lasts like a week and or longer if you take care of it. But I'm a wild sleeper, and I never like cover my lace in my sleep with a scarf. But yeah, I like it. You guys should definitely check it out on Amazon. It's pretty expensive for, well, I think it's reasonable for, you know, lace glue. So to each his own, but it also may be in your local beauty supply, you know, where they like keep the expensive edge controls in the front, you know, so nobody steals them. It's like, I seen it at mine, but you know, we all probably live in different states, but you guys can definitely check it out. And it's actually cheaper in the beauty supply. It was like 18 bucks, and it's like 21 on Amazon. So yeah. What I'm doing, as you guys can see, is taking the glue and the comb, and I see people use like popsicle sticks, but I just don't. I kind of just like, I'm putting a thin layer. Usually when you want it to last like a week or like damn near 2, you gonna put like 3 layers, but I'm only putting 1. And this usually lasts about a week for me. So yeah, I just lightly, you know, put it on there and spread it with a nozzle. I don't like to touch it, but I do just want to say, when it comes to removal of this product, all you will need to do is, you know, get a washcloth and rubbing alcohol and literally rub it on your hairline to activate the stuff to like loosen up, and it literally just comes off your hairline. Yeah, so basically I'm doing one side, you know, and I'm just blow drying till it's like semi-clear. And yeah, I'm gonna speed this up. So now that it's like semi like dry, I don't like it to be completely clear because it won't stick. You literally just like place your lace on there, like press it on there. And when I tell you guys this is a super duper hold, like it feels like you get like a facelift. It holds, so be very careful when placing your lace and make sure that's really how you want it, because if not, you're gonna be pissed and you're not gonna be able to like take it up, or you'll just have to do it over, which is not good because you're going to be putting more, you know, pull on your hairline. And you know, just do it carefully. Just do it carefully. But as you guys know, I like to take the end of the comb and just kind of like press the lace down, so you guys can probably see that it is white a little bit still, and that literally goes away within like a couple hours, or even if you blow dry it away. So I just like to let it happen by itself, and usually the next day it looks super undetectable that there's any lace. So yeah, But I'm just going back in and getting this sideburn because I forgot it. And then I'll be on to the next side. Okay guys, I'm back. So as you guys can see, I really didn't let this dry much. My boyfriend literally was talking my damn ears off. Like, I was like trying to, transition into the next room to get the like final part of this done. But he kept talking to me and I just was like, I think he really wanted to get in the living room this day. I'm not sure. So I was in here and he was trying to like, basically bother me until I got out, I guess. But yeah, basically it's fine that it looks a little white. I'm still going to go over with the blow dryer, as you guys are going to see. And like I said, this glue, it kind of, gets clear on its own. It takes like, a few hours, nothing crazy, but patience is key. And if you don't want to wait for it to get dry, just, sit with the blow dryer at your head, but to each his own. So yeah. Okay guys, so now it is completely secured on my head, and now we're gonna do some baby hairs. You guys already know, the steps I take to do my baby hairs, but I'm taking some mousse, of course, and using this small edge brush from my local beauty supply. You can find it at any local beauty supply, I'm sure. If not, you'll probably have to order them online, but that's probably not gonna happen unless you live like in another country. But yeah, I love how natural the wig was looking. Honestly, I liked how the lace looked after the Ghost Bun. In the front, though, I will say it was a little bit caked. I feel like it's because I rushed, one side, and that is my fault, but it still looks pretty good to me. And I ended up wearing this actually for like 3 days after I filmed. So yeah, then I took it off because, with the little career that I have in YouTube, I have to always switch up my wigs, so I can't always have one stuck to my head. And when I tell y'all this stuff sticks, it sticks, sis, okay? So don't think you can just snatch it off like you can the got to be, you literally have to wait kind of for it to lift up. As you guys can see, I am laying the, baby hairs down. I don't have to do this, but I'm just choosing so they can be in place. So I know you guys are like, wow, what does she do for the back? So, like I said, this is a full 360 wig. So I do not know how to do it myself as far as gluing the lace in the back down. So I usually just like cut it, you know, off and stick a comb in the back. But the last 360 that I had, I did have someone else do the back for me because I couldn't see. So if you want, you know, if you don't want to just, you know, stick the comb in the back, which looks very realistic in my opinion, you don't have to have the back glued down to me. Yeah, you can literally just, you know, have someone else do it or just do what I do. I didn't show the back though because my kitchen grew and I need to get it lined up. But yeah, as you guys see, I just made a little cute top knot and I'm waiting for my baby hairs and boom, I'm done. So that is, you know, pretty much the tutorial. Hold on though, look at them baby hairs. Like, I was shook. They literally look like real baby hairs. Like, and even my real hair, I do you know, lots of baby hairs. I just like the look. But yes, you guys, I hope this video helped you out. Please check out all the hair details for this unit from CHINALACEWIG. Give this video a thumbs up if I helped out. I think my buns are pretty cute for the most part. So if you guys enjoyed, like I said, see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.